Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram live option not showing. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open Instagram and log into your account, and then you gotta click on the profile icon at the bottom right. So once you do so, you'll be able to see a plus icon at the top left, and then you'll be able to see live option right over here. But if you're not able to see the live option, then that means for some reasons your account might be shadow banned. To check that, you can click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. You will be redirected to settings and activity. Scroll down and you'll be able to see an option of account status just within more info and support. Click on account status and make sure that everything is green right over here. You can click on features you can't use, and you can use all Instagram features right now for me. But if your account is banned for something, that you'll be able to see any feature listed over here that you're not eligible to use due to any reason or restrictions. So you got to make sure that you do not have any restrictions on your account. But if you don't have any restriction and you're not able to see the live option as well, you can go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to the latest version. So you can update Instagram to the latest version. And if that doesn't solve the issue as well, you can restart your device and it can be fixed by doing so. And that is how you can fix Instagram live option not showing. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.